Hey guys, in this example we're going to look at using intercepts to graph an equation. The equation is negative 4x plus 8y equals 24. The first thing we're going to do is look for the y-intercept. We're going to plug in 0 for x, which gives us negative 4 times 0 plus 8y equals 24. And then we're going to solve for y, which will give us the y-intercept. So when you multiply negative 4 times 0, you'll get a 0, which basically eliminates that term. So you're going to be left with 8y equals 24. You'll divide both sides of the equation by 8, canceling the left-hand side. And on the right, you'll have 24 divided by 8 is 3. So y is equal to 3. Remember that when you are putting these values into a coordinate pair, you have an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. The 0 that we plugged in for x will become the x-coordinate of 0. The 3 that you found for y will become the y-coordinate. So the point is 0, 3. That gives us the y-intercept. Now we're going to try to find the x-intercept. So the next thing we're going to do is plug in 0 for y this time. That gives us negative 4x plus 8 times 0 equals 24. And then when we solve this one for x, that will give us the x-intercept. Same thing happens here. When we multiply 8 times 0, it's the same as getting a 0 there, and that eliminates that term. So this equation reduces to negative 4x is equal to 24. You can divide both sides by negative 4 and cancel the left side. And on the right side, you have 24 divided by negative 4, which is negative 6. So x is equal to negative 6. Think about your coordinates when you put your coordinate pair together. You still have an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. This time we plugged in 0 for y, so 0 is our y-coordinate. And we found negative 6 for x, so negative 6 is going to be our x-coordinate. That gives us the point negative 6, 0 for our x-intercept. Now let's place these on the graph. So first we're going to think about that y-intercept, 0, 3. Remember that it's a value for y. It's going to be on the y-axis. So we're going to look at the y-axis and determine where 3 is. 3 is just under the 5. 3 steps up from the origin, and that's where the 0, 3 point is. So we're going to put that point there. When we think about the x-intercept of negative 6, 0, we're going to think about the x-axis. And on the x-axis, negative 6 is just to the left of negative 5. So we're going to put the point negative 6, 0 right where that is. And that's it. You can draw the line now that you've got 2 points. And that is the equation negative 4x plus 8y equals 24. We found 2 intercepts and we drew a line through them. I'm going to give you this example so that you can pause the video and try it for yourself. So try to use those techniques and see if you can find the intercepts and graph the line. And here are your answers for this equation. So when you plug in 0 for x, you will get the y-intercept of 0, negative 2. Your x-intercept is 6, 0. You can check your work over there on the left-hand side of the screen. And the graph of the line is on the graph on the right-hand side of the screen. And I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you.